MMT, we're going into that closing hour, and what a great short at 526.29 there on that Apple. And I got that Apple chart. I got bids out here at 770. They were 26.70, $26 and just call it 78 cents on the contract on the high. The close at 11.10, and we've already bought these several times. What I will show to the MMTs in the full video here is where that Apple, how we had pegged it, and right up here at the highs where the reversal was. And we're going to come down to double bottoms now. All right, here I've got a bid. He's hit at 770 on the low. We got one hit at 770 on a low. I've got a 3 IR. Now, that is very wholesale going into the close. And the time is 12:02 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 3:02 p.m. Eastern Time. And yes, this is a live entry called Still in the Bid. And it was a great put option all the way down. This thing was so overbought. This is what happens with overbought stocks and bull rallies. Bull rallies have to have shakeouts, and they're great for the short and then whip that long. We had several MMTs take that long, and then, hey, it was short, and we had MMTs get short. And we're down here at the very tip of it trying to buy this double bottom. Now, let's take a look at our contracts. They're a little bit below us. That's fine. We're challenging that low of the day, and we seem to be coming off of there. I can show you, though, there's $233 million coming out of the name, and it's holding that bottom, and it's moving fast. So we're going to hold the contracts, okay? Because we feel that each trade off of the bottom does provide an opportunity for profits. Learn how to steal the bid. Learn how to steal the bid on the calls. 218, $500 call that we end up getting down here at the low of the day. And this is here. This is real. This is now. And you know what? It's so now that we got a whole hour to go. And we're going to watch and see where the last part of the sellers get panicked out of the name and let it trade in its range and volatility. How to trade bull trends. How to buy bull support levels. Does it want to hold that level and leverage back up? The sellers are moving in, and they're going to be all over the place in Apple. And the calls are holding their value. And the thing about it is that 502.20, it's going to bounce $3 or $4 off the low anyway. So we're just going to stick with that low process live. Right now, Apple Computer holding the 502.20 low with 43.5 million shares already traded at 12:04, 4 minutes into the last hour. And we got a big haircut. It was time that there was going to be some profit taken in that bull run. All bulls got to have a shakeout. When that shakeout is over, then you got to buy the good quality at support levels, and that's how it's done, is taking advantage and understanding what bull trends are and how bull trends can have pullbacks but get bull entries at the wholesale bid. Live Apple.